We had a customer call us today to repair their boathouse door. It had fallen into the water. The issue was that the lake has risen and the bottom brackets and cables have been submerged in the water. They were seized and they were no longer rolling and everything fell apart. We were able to bring the door up. We changed the tracks, all the rollers, and we had to install new cables. Everything had gotten rusty and seized. If you have a similar problem, call Norse Doors.